How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. If any day any of you are a Messenger user and you would like to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be a Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to launch the Messenger application on your mobile device and then go to the three lines on the top. After that, you have to go to the settings like icon on the top. After you go to the settings like icon on the top, now you have to go to the option of the privacy and safety. After you tap on privacy and safety, you can see the interface like this. Now you can tap on the option end-to-end encrypted chats. Now after you tap on end-to-end encrypted chats, you can see the option like this. Now here what you can do is you can just disable the manage the security alerts like this. Otherwise, you can also go to the option of message storage and also you can just disable like this. And this way you can just disable end-to-end encrypted chats. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.